Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic QCAD tutorial how to move to different layer. So as example, I will create a circle and then you can create new layer. I will create the layer 1 with color red, and the second I will create layer into green. Now if you want to move these objects in from a 0 layer into layer 1, you can select the object. Go to properties tab, you can click these icons and then you can change in layer in here into layer 1. So the object will be set into layer 1. You want to change into layer 2, you can select again the object and then click on layer option, check into layer 2. Okay, that's it for basic QCAD tutorial, how to move to different layer. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.